In an earlier time, in a green land above, by the mill and the willows, we made fairy tale love, with the sky a warm blanket and our backs to the rain. We thought that our pleasure, it would always remain. No blemish of lust, flesh unfreckled by sin, one heart made like clockwork, white marble for skin, still waters, green pastures, with one caress of your hand. I swear even the wild dog lies down with the lamb. We thought that our pleasure, it would always remain. Soft fairy tale kisses, again and again. The last moment we touch, by the river you shone. The black swan spread its wings and hissed, lo, the night came on. In an earlier time, in a green land above, by the mill and the willow, we made fairy tale love, with the sky a warm blanket and our backs to the rain. We could have sworn that our pleasure, it would all